Welcome to this radio channel, and I wanted to share a website that is just great if you like reading radio publications of all sorts, but especially old ones that existed in the past. AmericanRadioHistory.com has tons and tons of books for free that you can download. If you have a tablet to read books, you're going to have a lot of fun with this. You can search for specific publication. You can look at different types of publication. There's not just radio stuff in here. There could be electronic and technology stuff. There's a alphabetical list that you can actually click on and see if what information. So for example here I have let's go down here. Let's check what's interesting in here. There's Chicago Radio Magazine, Chicago Radio Weekly. You can click and you will see versions, for example, here. Now, it doesn't mean that every version is available, but sometimes you have specific versions are available. Most of what you have here is in PDF, so you will have, these books in PDF as you see here. Chicago Radio Weekly from 1931. That's pretty amazing. Look at that, 5 cents per copy. That was pretty amazing. The Radio Listener's Guide to Chicagoland Programs. So there's all sorts of things like that, and very, very unusual stuff, actually. So simply go to this website. I'll post a link in the description below the video, and you just click on whatever, you want to see. So for example, let's go here to Communications World. And look at that, Communications World from the past years, 1981. Let's go here, and there we go. Communications World, 1981. Pretty amazing. Well, that's very 80s looking, just with the air, just looking at the air. So, wow, look at that. Amazing stuff. And there's not necessarily every year, but there's a lot of stuff in there. I think you should really, really check that out. So it's, the link is in the description below the video. And it's easy to remember, AmericanRadioHistory.com. Check that out. Amazing place to go to. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.